car number 1. Then it is the number 38 car, Austin. All right, everybody, 38 is Austin Emery from Willows. 38 car, 63 Galaxy. How about the 38D from Hayford, California, Gary Dunsing. Yeah, but that one, I should have remembered it. Too ugly, that's right. That's Daniel Bong from Woodland, everybody. Too ugly. As the wind blows, that's the Good Times, number 34 Good Times. And tonight it's Frankie Gonzalez, 34X. Okay. The Mud Patrol. Remember the family. I told you to work the catch pin for 90 years at the Red Bluff Roundup.